What if the reason you're stuck, unmotivated, and overwhelmed is simply because you haven't found your why? You wake up, go through the motions, but deep down, something's missing. You're not alone. Millions of people feel this invisible void. But what if I told you, your purpose is the missing piece? Welcome to Mindscape, where curiosity meets reality. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful forces shaping human life: purpose. Think about it. Have you ever looked around and wondered, what's the point of all this? Maybe you're grinding through a job that doesn't excite you. Maybe life feels like a loop, repeating without meaning. But here's the truth. A clear sense of purpose acts like a compass. It gives your life direction, energy, and resilience, even in the darkest moments. It's not just feel-good talk. It's science, psychology, and soul intertwined. Purpose isn't just a buzzword. It's the force that connects your goals, values, and identity into one meaningful narrative. According to research from the University of Michigan and Mount Sinai, people who live with purpose experience lower stress levels, better immune function, and even longer lifespans. But beyond the science, purpose gives you something even deeper: resilience. When life knocks you down, purpose helps you get back up. It tells you this pain has meaning. Keep going. That kind of strength doesn't come from motivation alone. It comes from knowing why you're here. Now comes the big question. How do I find my purpose? Start with this. What would I still do even if no one paid me, praised me, or noticed me? Your purpose lives at the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, and what the world needs. Here are 3 powerful tips to begin your self-discovery journey. 1. Reflect. Journal about the moments when you felt most alive. 2. Explore. Try new things. Say yes to opportunities that challenge or excite you. 3. Ask. Talk to those who know you best. Sometimes others can see patterns you've missed. Remember, finding purpose is not a one-time revelation. It's a journey, a constant unfolding. And that's okay. Let's talk about people who found their purpose and changed lives, starting with their own. Viktor Frankl, a Holocaust survivor, discovered that meaning was the only thing that kept him alive in the camps. Malala Yousafzai turned her trauma into advocacy for girls' education. Even ordinary people, nurses, teachers, creators, are living examples of purpose in motion. Their secret? They aligned their actions with their core values. When your daily life reflects your purpose, something shifts. Your work becomes meaningful. Your struggles become fuel. Your life becomes bigger than just you. So here's the truth. Purpose isn't something you find once and never lose again. It's something you cultivate, grow into, and live through. Even when it feels distant, it's there, waiting to be discovered, refined, and embraced. Start by asking yourself the real questions. What makes me feel alive? How do I want to be remembered? What impact do I want to have? You may not have all the answers today, but taking the first step is enough. If this episode sparked something inside you, don't let it fade. Start your journey. Reflect. Explore. Share. Drop a comment below. What does purpose mean to you? What's one thing you're going to do this week to reconnect with it? And if you love diving into life's deeper questions, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an episode from Mindscape, where we explore the human experience, one question at a time. Remember, your purpose isn't out there. It's in you, waiting to be lived.